Hey, my humble fam. This your girl Kia stepping in to give you a quick meal for my people on the go. Check out this recipe for my Chicken Fajita Alfredo Pizza. When I say it is a go-to and a must-have for a quick meal, trust me, you cannot go wrong. I'll leave the ingredients in the description below. Enjoy. And there you have it, my Chicken Fajita Alfredo Pizza. When I say your family is gonna love it, and you are gonna love it because it kills so much time. You can of course pair it with a nice salad, whatever addition you wanna add to it. And yes, this is me and I guess my big bag era because I had to drizzle a little of the Alfredo sauce on there because it's so good. Hope you guys enjoyed it.